We live in a world that celebrates hustle, late nights at the office, pulling all-nighters to study, binge watching shows till 2 a.m. Sound familiar? But here's the truth. Lack of sleep is silently draining our health, our mood, and our productivity. In this video, we'll uncover why sleep isn't a waste of time. It's the ultimate investment in yourself. Sleep isn't just switching off. It's an active process where your brain sorts memories, repairs itself, and your body restores energy. Think of it as your body's natural reset button. Without it, everything, from emotions to focus, gets scrambled. Sleep deprivation causes instant problems, poor focus, forgetfulness, and low energy. But it also builds up silently over time, raising stress hormones, weakening the immune system, and even increasing risks of heart problems and obesity. In short, skipping sleep today can hurt tomorrow's health. Ever notice how little things annoy you when you're tired? That's because sleep is emotional first aid. Without it, the brain struggles to regulate feelings, leading to mood swings, irritability, and even anxiety or depression. We think working late equals working more. But the truth, sleepy brains are slower, less creative, and make more mistakes. Research shows well-rested workers get more done in less time. Productivity is about quality, not hours. Sleep comes in stages. Light sleep prepares the body to rest. Deep sleep repairs muscles and boosts immunity. REM sleep restores the mind, fueling creativity, problem solving, and emotional balance. Missing out on any stage is like skipping an ingredient in a recipe. The result won't be the same. Think sleep isn't that important? Studies say missing just one night of sleep reduces reaction time, like being drunk. That means lower focus at work, more accidents, and poor decisions. Sleep directly affects how we live every single day. Chronic sleep loss doesn't just make you tired, it raises the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and weakens mental health. Sleep isn't optional, it's a pillar of health, just like nutrition and exercise. The good news is better sleep is within your control. Your body loves routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day trains your internal clock. When you keep a consistent bedtime, it becomes easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed, no matter what day it is. Phones, TVs, and laptops give off blue light that tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. This delays the release of melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. Try turning off screens at least 30 minutes before bed to give your brain a chance to slow down. A relaxing bedtime ritual tells your body it's time to wind down. It could be something simple, drinking tea, journaling, stretching, or reading a few pages of a book. Over time, these small habits signal your mind to switch from go mode to rest mode. Your sleep environment matters. A cool, quiet, and dark room helps your body stay in deep sleep longer. Consider dimming the lights, reducing noise, or using a fan or soft music to create the perfect sleep space. That afternoon coffee might be the reason you're still awake at midnight. Caffeine can stay in your system for hours, blocking the sleep signals your brain needs. Try switching to water or herbal tea after lunch to make sure nothing keeps you up at night. Sleep isn't wasted time. It's your secret superpower. With better sleep, you'll feel calmer, happier, healthier, and more productive. So the next time you think about cutting sleep for work or fun, remember, rest is part of the work too.